Okay, this question is from New York State Teacher Certificate Exam, the math practice. So now, how to do this? So their radical term is different. So we try to simplify this term, radical term, make them same, saying we calculate. So about 20, we can write here, 20 equal 4 times 5. 4 equal 2 squared times 5. So we do here 2 squared times 5 plus 45. 45 equal 5 times 9 equal 5 times 3 squared. Okay, we come here. 5 times 3 squared. So then we take their calculate about the exponent. So we change it to exponent form. Go to square times 5. Exponent the 1 over 2 plus 5 times 3 square. Exponent 1 over 2. Okay, come here. 2 to 2 times 1 over 2 times 5 to 1 over 2 plus 5 to 1 over 2 times 3 2 times 1 over 2 equal to this cancel 1 times 5 to 1 over 2 plus 5 1 over 2 times this 1 times 3. So this part radical term is same 5 to 1 over 2 5 to 1 over 2. Then we time plus make them together. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 5 to 1 over 2. So this is final solution.